your beauty so cute, so pretty. Love you, you know. Baby, me love you, you know. Baby, me love you, you know.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. I am Mareisa, and in today's video I'll be making papaya soap. So I'm going to use the cold process method. Remember, when making soap you have to put on your safety goggles like your glove and something to protect your eye in case any splashes. If light splash, it will burn you. So make sure put your hand on the water, or some people usually use vinegar, but water works for me. So in here I have papaya puree, where I take the ripe papaya and I blend it and I put it in the fridge to freeze. In this is the oils that I choose to make my soap, which is coconut oil, olive oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter. But you can make your soap with one oil if you desire, and you got to find out the different things that oils do in your soap, like the different type of oil, like if you're looking for a strong bubble or whatever you're looking for, what one oil can do to make soap. In here I have my caustic soda, also known as lye. The first step that I'm going to take to make this soap is I'm going to gently take my caustic soda and I'm going to pour it on my papaya puree, and my caustic soda is very lumpy, and I'm going to mix this until all the ice particles are dissolved. As you mix the papaya, the lye will heat up. It will get very hot and it can help to dissolve your puree. So I'm going to gently go at this until all the particles are all dissolved. I should have mashed this up first, but I didn't. But it will still work. So I'll be going at this for a while. So all of my particles are almost dissolved. So I'm gonna go at this until everything is dissolved. When blending your papaya, the fruit, you can use distilled water or you can use filtered rainwater. And according to if the papaya have liquid, you don't have to add any water at all. So I'm gonna continue go at this until all the particles are dissolved. So now that everything is all dissolved, I'm going to set this aside and I'm gonna blend all of my oils together. Air plug please, if you have on any. The reason why my oil is so brown is because I use freshly made coconut oil that I made, homemade coconut oil, and this is the coconut oil that I use in this soap that I made. So that's why my oil kind of look like so brown. So after combining all my oil together, my stick blender is very powerful. That's why you're seeing those bubbles also. I'm going to pour in my mixture gently on the stick blender, so I wouldn't really get any. Now all in, I'm going to stick blend until my batter come to trace. traces when your soap reach a pudding like, and you put your stick blender on top and you see the mark, so that is when you know your soap is ready to pour out into your bowl. So my soap is at 10 trays at this moment. If you are doing swirls and so, now would be the right time to pour your soap. If you are doing like different colors and you want to design, now that my soap has come to trace, I'm going to pour it in my mold, and these are the molds. This is the mold that I'll be using because these are my mini papaya soap. Ooh. Ooh. So this is giving me cleanup to do. Extra cleanup. I'm going to clean up this right now. I'm going to clean up and be back. So here is my papaya soap in the mold. I'm going to leave this until the next day. And sometimes I usually leave my soap, you can leave the soap for 24 hours, but because I use the butters in it, the soap will dry fast and will be able to unpluck tomorrow. So see you tomorrow when I pluck these papaya soaps out of their mold. It's the following day, and this is my soaps. I'm about to take them out the mold now. And there you go, papaya soap made from freshly papaya fruit. And there you go. If you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, press the post notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video, and see you on my next video. Bye.